It's early April here in the desert garden, and we're a little bit late, but nonetheless, we need to work on the garden. These are all of our winter crops that are still in here, from lettuce to radishes, carrots, garlic, and some Oregon snap peas. And it's time to take them all out and get prepared for the summer crops. So let's get into it. Today's project, we're working on the garden. It's the end of the summer, so it's late September, and it's time to plant the winter crops. We do everything from seed, so we'll have about 3 months to grow for the time of harvest around the holidays, where we have a whole bunch of people visiting. Things we want to accomplish this morning, the first are these peppers. So the peppers, we've maintained them over the summer, and they're thriving. And there's actually still a whole bunch of peppers on here. But we're going to build a trellis so we can just get better control of them. Behind it is the tomato plants, and we're done with those. They're done producing. So we want to clean all those out, and that's where we're going to plant the radishes and the carrots. Another rain delay. This is kind of special. It doesn't happen too often here in Arizona. It's nice and cool out, late September. The highs are usually around 95 plus, and it's, I don't know, 60. It's cold. I added a 1/4 inch of the hardware cloth around the bottom, and that's to hold in the mulch as well as keep out all the critters. This is all going to be romaine lettuce and a couple different varieties. germinate the seeds and keep it moist while we're still in some of the last days of summer. We use the tool, or what's known as wetting dress, as a way to keep the critters out, especially the birds. Back here, we're gonna plant our Oregon snap peas. So let's get into it. I save this mulch as a top dressing once we get everything planted and they germinate and they start to sprout. morning. It is mid-March and we've had an unseasonably warm winter, and we're about to hit temperatures that are record-breaking. We're forecasted for hitting 100 degrees here in just a few days, which is very early for the season, especially for mid-March. Today's project, we're going to be working on the garden behind us. The winter crops are done. We're going to harvest carrots and radish, and we're going to clean all of this up and probably plant tomato seeds, maybe some corn and zucchini. So thanks for watching. Let's get into it. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, or write a comment. What do you like about these videos and what do you want to see me do more? Thanks again for watching. If you'd like to see more videos on this topic, check out the Desert Garden and Food Forest playlist. Thanks for watching.